Hello, welcome to my vlog. Ayan, may busy muna si tita. Nasa countryside ako ng Yorkshire. So yeah guys, pauwi na kami. Nandito pa kami sa loob ng zoo safari. So yeah, wala na masyadong tao kaya nakapag-shoot. So ayan, shout out to every one of you. Hello, kumusta? Ayan guys, di muna nakapag-live si tita. So medyo ano muna tayo, gala mood staycation. Inside England lang naman. So ayan guys, ang surrounding. Wala na, pauwi na kami. Kanina di makapag-shoot, so pero daming tao. Shout out to everyone. Sa mga extended friend ko dyan, hi, hello. Ayan si tita. Speechless, napagod na kami. 5-hour yung tour namin dito guys. So ayan na lang yung nakikitang natitirang tawag dito energy ni tita. So ayan guys, so that area guys is yung kainan sa Masai.
Alright then, let's do them now then.
No, I don't think that was good. Is there any more? Okay.
well, they're riding tomorrow.
I've seen him okay.
Swan there. This one is pine tree. I don't know really. Hello guys, napagod na si tita. So wala nang voice na. Pinakikita ko na lang po yung view sa inyo guys. Almost 5 hours, 6 hours na kami rito. Ang sakit ng paa ni tita. Umupo na po ako guys. Ayan. So thank you so much for watching. Ayan. Kita-kits na lang po sa aking pagla-live soon. Next guys, see you on my next vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Bye muna po for now. Then, ayan, don't forget to like and share. At pakapindot nyo na rin yung little button dyan. So thank you. It's me, your Auntie Lori. Bye for now. See you soon. Bye.